Hi guys, this is the Java series part 65. Now let's discuss about the hashCode inbuilt method that is present inside the inbuilt class object. This inbuilt class object is present inside the java.language package. Okay. So this is the default package. So there is no need to import like this. Okay. What is meant by hashCode in Java language? Hashcode is a function. Okay, that is one of the inbuilt functions that returns the hashcode value of an object on calling. Okay, it returns an integer value which is generated by the hashing algorithm. Okay, what is hashing algorithm? The process of assigning a unique value to an object or attribute using an algorithm, okay, that enables quicker access. This is known as hashing. What is the usage of hashcode? Hashcode helps the program to run faster. This is the main advantage of using hashcode. Okay, let's see this example. Here I have created the class name is hashcode. Okay, this is the user defined class. This is the inbuilt class. Okay, all the user defined classes or inbuilt classes or the subclasses of this object class. Inside this object inbuilt class, we have the inbuilt method hashcode. Okay. So why we need this type of a hashcode method means, now only we have discussed. It helps the program to run faster, isn't it? See, here I have created the main method inside this class and I have created the obj1 and obj2 for this inbuilt object class. Okay, this is the superclass for this subclass. Got it? I have used the new keyword and this is the default constructor for this class. Okay, and here I assign obj1 to obj2. This is the new object, this is the old object. Here I have used the inbuilt method hashcode. Okay, what is the usage of hashcode? It helps the program to run faster. Okay, it returns an integer value which is generated by the hashing algorithm. Okay, here this method is from this object inbuilt class. That's why I have used the obj1. This is the object for this inbuilt class, isn't it? So I have used here obj1 and this method returns an integer value. That is the unique value of an object. Am I correct? So it returns the hash value for this obj1. Likewise, the same. Okay, for object2, obj2. So this hashcode method returns the hashcode value, that is the integer value, unique value of this object on calling. Okay, and here I have used the equals method to compare this obj1 and obj2. The previous session only we have discussed about the equals inbuilt method which is also present inside the object inbuilt class, isn't it? Okay, here this equals method returns true if both the objects are equal. Otherwise it returns false, we know. So this equals method is used to compare these two objects. Okay, hashcode I have used here. obj1.hashcode double equal. This is what? The relational operator, comparison operator. It is used to compare the hashcode value of obj1 and hashcode value of obj2. Okay, if it returns, if both are equal, it returns true. Otherwise it returns false only. Okay, so here I have used the equals method to compare two objects. Here I have used the relational operator to compare these two objects' hashcode values. Both are returns the same. If both the objects are equal, it returns true. If both the objects are not equal, it returns false. But what is the difference between this statement and this statement? Comparing two objects by their hash codes will give the result 20 times faster than comparing them using the equals method. This is the difference. This is the advantage of using the hash code. Okay, comparing two objects by their hash codes will give the result 20 times faster than comparing them using the equals function. Okay, is it clear? So, hashcode helps the program to run faster. That's why we need hashcode. So, this hashcode is present inside the inbuilt class object. Okay, that is present inside the java.language package. Let me execute this one. So, this is the output for this program. Here, this is the output for the 11th one. obj1.hashcode returns this integer number. Okay, so unique number for this object. This is called the hash code. Okay, and this is the output for this 12th statement. Object2.hashcode returns this number. Both the numbers are same. Why? Because here I assign the old object to the new object. So both are equal, isn't it? That's why we got the same hash code for obj1 and obj2. Here I have used the equals inbuilt method to compare this object 1 and object 2 without hash codes, isn't it? So it returns true. Here I have used the relational operator to compare obj1 and obj2 with the hash code of these objects. This also returns true. Then what is the difference? Comparing two objects by their hash codes will give the result 20 times faster than the comparing the objects using the equals function. So I repeat it again. What is meant by hash code? Hash code is a function that returns the hash code value of an object on calling. Okay, it returns an integer value which is generated by the hashing algorithm. So what is hashing algorithm? The process of assigning a unique value to an object. Okay, unique value to an object or attribute using an algorithm. That is known as hashing. Okay, so what is the main advantage of hash code? It helps the program to run faster. Okay, I hope you all understood about the hash code inbuilt method and hashing algorithm. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.